In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your favorites or bookmarks into Microsoft Edge. This is a straightforward process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have all your cherished links and favorites transferred to Edge, making your browsing experience seamless and efficient. To get started, open up Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once you've got Edge open in front of you, locate the star icon at the top of the Edge page. This icon is your gateway to managing favorites in the browser. Go ahead and click on that star icon. You might notice that, at this point, it's currently empty. This just indicates that you haven't added any bookmarks yet or haven't set up syncing for this profile. Now, the next step to importing your favorites involves just a bit of menu navigation. Right below the star icon, you're going to see 3 dots. Go ahead and click on those. This will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll find the option labeled Import Favorites. Click on Import Favorites and a new window or panel will appear, presenting you with a variety of options. In this new panel, take a look at the section marked Import from Other Locations. This refers to the sources you can pull your bookmarks from, whether it's another web browser or a file exported previously. Below this, you'll see an option titled Import Browser Data. Click on it to proceed. Now you'll notice a list of data types that can be imported, such as browsing history, passwords, and of course, favorites or bookmarks. At this point, you want to refine what exactly you're importing. Take a moment to review the options and decide which ones you want to include. Uncheck any unnecessary data that you might not need right now. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're focusing on importing just the bookmarks, so make sure that's the only thing ticked for simplicity. Next, you'll need to select your preferred source browser. This is the web browser where your favorites are currently stored. Ensure you choose the correct browser to avoid any confusion or frustration later on. Once you've selected the browser and confirmed the correct data type is the only one checked, you'll go ahead and click Import. The import process will only take a moment. After it's completed, return to your Favorites panel by clicking the star icon again. You should see all your previously saved links now appearing in this list, confirming that the import was successful. And there you have it. Your bookmarks are now smoothly transitioned into Microsoft Edge, nicely organized and just a click away. This step will certainly enhance your browsing experience, making it more efficient as you now have all your important links just where you want them. Thank you for watching and happy browsing.